In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order tracking page on Wix. Whether you're managing your online store by yourself or working with a team, setting up proper order tracking can greatly enhance your customers' shopping experience. Let's dive in and make sure your Wix store is equipped with this pivotal feature. First, start by navigating to your Wix site's home dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Wix, and from here, you can manage different aspects of your site effortlessly. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is a crucial step because the Settings menu is where you'll find various controls to customize and manage the finer details of your online store. In the Settings menu, utilize the search function by typing in the word shipping. This handy feature saves you time navigating through numerous options, taking you directly to the choices related to shipping and fulfillment. From the list that appears, click on Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This section allows you to set up and manage your delivery settings, which is essential for communicating order tracking details to your customers. Once you're inside this section, you're going to want to create a delivery profile that suits your logistics plan. Start by clicking on Create Region. This step is vital as it gives you the flexibility to tailor your shipping settings specific to different geographical areas, ensuring that shipping rates and times are appropriate for various customer locations. After you've created a region, it's time to choose a region from the list. This is where you define the areas you wish to service. Make sure to select the region that aligns with your shipping strategy, considering factors like cost and delivery times. Next, you'll want to click on Add Rate. This is where you set the shipping cost that your customers will encounter at checkout. Click on the Shipping option, which takes you to a choice of shipping rate types. Here, you're going to select Flat Rate to provide a consistent shipping cost per region, simplifying the checkout experience for your customers. Type in the name that will appear at checkout so your customers easily understand the shipping rate being applied. Following this, enter the estimated delivery time, as this information builds trust and sets clear expectations with your customers. Then, input the rate that will show during checkout. This is critical for transparency and ensures the customer is aware of all charges up front. If necessary, consider offering free shipping by checking the box that allows it when customers purchase a certain amount. Similarly, if you wish to charge the shipping rate for each item separately, there's an option for that too. Finally, click on Add to save your settings. This finalizes the new shipping settings and makes it ready for immediate use on your store. That's all it takes to set up an order tracking page on Wix. By implementing these settings, you'll provide a professional and reliable shipping experience, greatly enhancing customer satisfaction. Happy selling!